Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, whenever you guys are watching. So I am at the Moodie LRT construction site. Someone said I should do more in-depth videos of everything around. You know, I could. I just don't want to trespass. I'm fine the way I do them, at a glance, at a distance. They don't want me too close with the drone, and I'm sure there's a lot of paperwork involved for me to be on site. I would love to try and get with the city and the builder and stuff, you know, at the finishing stages, to see how it looks like inside and stuff. We'll see if we can get that done. It's hard because they don't answer your emails or nothing, but let's go. This is the Moodie station. Progress, March 15th. Let's do it. 2024.